This quick clean episode shows how a chaotic closet becomes organized in 5 fast moves that take under a minute. First, remove everything, group like items, and discard what's never used to create instant space. Second, assign zones with a labeled bin for each category and slide bins to the back of the shelf. Third, use a handheld vacuum to whisk dust from corners while you fold and ride each item into its zone. Finally, commit to a 5-minute weekly reset and watch your closet stay tidy without daily struggle.